Hey everybody, welcome to My Mama Makes It Better. We are here today to share Joanne's roasted chicken with rice. This recipe comes to us from her mom, who used to make it for Joanne when she was a kid. She remembers coming home from school, all cold, walking in the house and smelling this recipe, and she was just so excited to have it. It's basically chicken soup without the broth. Creamy, delicious, roasted chicken on top. You can't go wrong. I am so excited to share this recipe today. All right, let's make this roasted chicken and rice. First, you take your chicken and you pat it dry. Add it to a bowl. And now we're going to add the spice blend. Garlic powder and onion powder, sweet paprika, black pepper. Some thyme is optional, but I love thyme. And then, of course, a generous sprinkling of salt. Mix it all up so that the chicken gets a generous coating of all those spices. Now we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan on medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, we're going to add the chicken, skin side down. We want it to get nice and brown and crispy, but we don't want to cook it all the way through. Now that the chicken's been cooked, we've set it aside, and it's time to work on this savory rice. We're going to chop up carrots, celery, and onion. Now we'll get some butter and the remaining olive oil in the pan. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add all those delicious veggies. Once those veggies are golden and brown, we're going to add the rice and saute for a few minutes. You're just trying to coat the rice with all those delicious flavors. The butter, the olive oil, the salt and pepper, and of course all those vegetables. Now we're going to go ahead and add the chicken broth. You can also go ahead and add any pan juices from the chicken. I know this looks like a lot of liquid, but when you pop it in the oven, the rice is going to absorb that aromatic broth and cook up to a fluffy consistency. Now the chicken is browned and the rice is done, let's assemble our dish. First, pour your rice mixture on the bottom of a baking dish. Spread it around to cover the bottom of the pan. Then, place your chicken on top of your rice. Skin side up so we keep it nice and crispy. Now it's time to get this baby in the oven. You have to cover it. Joanne covers it with aluminum foil, but if you have a lidded baking dish, even better. Okay, now it's time for my favorite part. Let's try this and see. I'm going to give myself a little scoop of the rice, which is all firmed up and really creamy, covered with carrots and celery and all the flavors. And I am going to go for a leg. Let me give it a shot. Oh yeah, Joanne, your mama does make it better.